Artificial intelligence is transforming cybersecurity. In today's world, cyber attacks aren't loud or obvious. They're silent, fast, and often invisible. Hackers use automation, AI, and stealth tactics that traditional security simply can't keep up with. That's why businesses, governments, and even home users are turning to a new defender, artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll explore how AI is shaping the future of cybersecurity, both as a weapon of defense and a tool for attack. From reactive to predictive security. For years, cybersecurity was reactive. First, a system gets attacked, then we respond. But AI changes the game. AI isn't just responding to threats. It scans millions of data points, learns behaviors, and detects anomalies before damage begins. It can spot patterns that humans would completely miss and flag attacks in real time, sometimes in milliseconds. How AI detects threats in real time. Artificial intelligence learns what normal activity looks like on a network, so when something unusual happens, even the slightest deviation, AI notices immediately. For example, a login from a strange location, a sudden spike in data transfer, a hidden process trying to access system files. AI steps in, isolates the threat, and stops it, often before an employee or IT admin even notices. Automated response and mitigation. Here's where AI becomes truly powerful. When a threat is detected, it doesn't just send an alert. It can automatically quarantine files, shut down access, block users, or roll back damage instantly. No waiting, no human delay. No long investigation before action. In many cases, AI prevents a breach before a human security team even gets the notification. The dark side, AI-powered attacks. But here's the scary part. Cybercriminals are using AI too. Attackers now use machine learning to write undetectable malware, craft fake voice calls and deepfake videos, bypass authentication systems, test security defenses automatically. This is called adversarial AI, where malicious systems learn how to beat protective ones. We're not just facing hackers anymore. We're facing AI versus AI. What businesses and users should do now. You don't need to be a corporation to benefit from AI security. Right now, both individuals and companies can use tools like AI-powered antivirus and firewalls, behavior-based threat monitoring, automated phishing detection, email and endpoint security with machine learning. Even simple upgrades can stop modern attacks before they start. Ethical and legal challenges. With great power comes big questions. How much data should AI be allowed to scan? Who is responsible if AI makes a wrong decision? And how do governments regulate AI-powered warfare online? Cybersecurity isn't just technical anymore, it's political, ethical, and global. The future of cyber defense. We're heading toward a future where AI secures systems with almost no human input. Expect developments like hyper-personalized digital protection, AI-generated security policies, quantum-resistant encryption, autonomous cyber defense systems. In the end, AI won't replace cybersecurity experts, it'll empower them. This is the new cyber battlefield, fast, intelligent, and constantly evolving. Artificial intelligence is no longer optional, it's essential. If you found this breakdown useful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment on which AI security topic you'd like the video next. Thanks for watching, and stay secure.